So viewer subscriber, wagwan. Welcome back to 4K Shilla Energy, and in this update we have Teebone, a this up Valiant. Plus we also have Jahshii. Yeah man, the artist hospitalized and we really don't know what's the cause of it. So man, like up this video and subscribe to 4K Shilla Energy. Remember, click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day. Yeah man, big up on yourself, and like me say, make we jump right into it. So viewer subscriber, as you can see, we'll keep this review of a Jahshii. Yeah man, the entertainer is hospitalized and we really don't know what's the cause of it. Yeah man, so it's like the entertainer came out of the hospital before to attend his brother's funeral, then he went back in. As you can see on the screen, it's a picture of this person and them I look down at the phone, but as you can see, I just post it. And enough people would have feel like said this is a new music video, but I don't think so. You see me? Yeah man, I don't think so because of this video. So like I said, I don't know what's the cause of this, but all I know is that Jahshii is in the hospital. And even though he's in the hospital, a lot of artists is reaching out to him. And I say like, speedy recovery bro, get well soon. You see me? We have Valiant, we have Chanel Muir, and the list goes on. You see me? Yeah man, I like how everybody I reach out to the artist and I make sure say the artist good. You see me? Yeah man, but we don't know the reason. But at the end of the day, if the entertainer want to keep it private, we have to respect that. We have to just show support as a fan and respect that. You see me? Yeah man, we have to just hope say the artist get well soon and get back on his feet in a full health. You see me? Yeah man, we have to show the support, you see me, as a First Nation fan. Because I don't know, say the entertainer go through a lot this year. Remember saying brother drop out, you know. You see me? Remember say the police them they want Jahshii, you know. You see me? And now the entertainer sick out. So man, we have to show the support to the artist if you are a big fan of Jahshii. Yeah man. So big up yourself, Jahshii. If you're a subscriber, please do let me know when you think about that. And leave a like on this video if you reach this far.
People when them a sing, me I say, what kind of car I sing about? Because some do my thing, me think about something different. I'm going to go buff and sing about this damn crown. How much man I sing about crown and it's like I give them this flowers over this side and I say, crown is not, brother, I'm tired of it, bro. I'm tired of it, bro. I'm tired of it for true. Especially you to Valiant, because you are do it, brother. You are do it, bro. You like you sit down over there, so, and say, alright, well, drain off piece of bone energy. Everything in drop what thief sitting out there. Brother, me no rate you, you see me on road and try to. Because remember, I don't just this Instagram thing, I'm not do this, you know. Remember, good, you know, youth. I'm not care which police I want parade if I want to see this and say this, boy. You are rapist. Me not like you, youth. Me not like you, brother. Me I tell you the truth. Me avoid it 1,000,000 times, brother. Till me can't avoid it no more. Me can't avoid it no more, youth. So I'm going to see if when that the Baccarat song they drop, with you better go do over a new tune. Because most even that the Baccarat song they drop, if my people them are the people them now go tell on the straight say it's my song that and my style that. You know a big artist, you know on the bus and one no need for use my style then, brother. Brother, we'll find our next cologne, bro. We'll find our next cologne, bro. Me tired of you, bro. Believe, bro, as a dog, a bone I tell you to, bro. Bone I tell you. Me, Teebone I tell you, little boy. Brother, I sleep, just come from this fucking show here. And hear the man them wake me up and say, DJ, here you again. I say, what?
So Teebone I make it known say the artist them a follow him style. But Teebone specifically call out Valiant. Yeah man. The artist I make the people them know say him first sing about crown and every other artist start jump on the topic and I talk about crown. You see me? But like I said, he specifically called out Valiant name out of everybody else's name. But Teebone, to be honest bro, this a go look like your bad mind fam. You see me? Yeah man, because if you no pre-view a subscriber, most of these artists are follow each other, and because if you really makes it, most of these artists are wear the same brand, which is Polo and Artiste. You see me? Yeah man. And if you no check them song of your subscriber, most of these artists are singing about the same topic, you know, chopping. Alright. But viewer subscriber, all of these artists are, me not gonna say all, but most of these artists, them basically are follow each other. You see me? If a slang or a style jump out, most of these artists are jump on the topic and I drop a song on it. You see me? So me not think Teebone or any artist will jump out and say, oh, a man a follow him style and in this and in that. You see me? Because most of these artists are follow each other's style. Most of these artists are live off of each other's style and I make a name off of it. You see me? But to be honest with your subscriber, this I go only look like Teebone bad mind. You see me? Because enough artists in the game, surprise to how Valiant get the break and gone with it. But you see what me get to understand is that, you see, if an artist jump out with a style and the next artist jump out and take that the style and bust gone, that the artist that came up with the style, I go jump on a live and this the artist and I say, oh yeah, copy my style because what? The man will copy his style, take his style for him own and gone and he just get that big break. Just like how Valiant, just like how Teebone as a Valiant copy him style, right? Yeah man, I see how Valiant get this big break. Yeah man, so Teebone I go vex and jump on a live and say, oh Valiant, yeah this or yeah that. But me not rate what Teebone is saying at the live though, you see me? Yeah, man, me no rate that style. And the fans, them, like I said, I go look for your Teebone and say a bad mind. That's all them I go say. See me? Yeah, man, because most of these artists are follow each other's style. And don't know, say, me nah cap. Most of these artists are follow each other's style. Most of these artists are wear the same brand, sing about the same car. I see, yo, if you're a subscriber, you know me I talk about. You see me? So Teebone, me not think Teebone should have jump out with this. Me feel like the artist should have just humble and see past that because enough style out there. An artist would build and a next artist would have follow. You see me? And the first is and the second and the third. This happen all the time because enough style out there, Vibes Cartel build and other artists follow. Enough style out there, Alkaline build and other artists follow. You see me? But at the end of the day, if you're a subscriber, this me no see the point of it. Yeah, a man copy your style, just make it go on. You see me? That's all me can say. Just make it go on. It no make sense you jump on a live and you say, oh, Ray, you're the first to sing about Crown. That no make no sense, bro. Crown is a car when enough man I go sing about. You see me? Yeah, man. So, as me say, me no rate this with Teebone. You see me? Me no rate him though. But at the end of the day, if you're a subscriber, please do let me know what you think about it. That's just my opinion on it. Me no rate it, but that's just my opinion. You see me? So comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about any of the topic that we touch upon. Like up this video, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you're new, and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day. Yeah man, big up on yourself, and like always, 4K Shala Energy. Catch you now in our next one.